So hey, you're about to hit print on your Bambu 3D printer, and you've got two different colors that you want for your two different files. You've set them up correctly. When you slice this, by default, you're going to get some waste and some wasted time. The reason is that it has to switch at each layer. It's going to lay down the black layer and then switch and then lay down the red layer and do this again and again. Now, all of this waste is going to happen, not to mention the time. Wouldn't it be great if we could just have it print the red and then print the black and be done? Absolutely. Come over here to the setup and find print sequence. Go to by object, and now it will let you separate them and finish them out. Hit slice, and once this is finished, now prints the black component and now the red one without all that waste. The one got you want to be aware of is it does need plenty of clearance between the two components. If you move them too close, you'll get this error as well as this preview showing that they're too close. We're going to need plenty of clearance. Right click, arrange, and it should move them. And now there's plenty of clearance, saving you some time. I'll see you guys in the next video.